Recently, the FDA announced that all synthetic colorants must be removed from the US market by 2027. Are we ready for that change? Around the world, consumers are looking for clean labels, ingredients they recognize, processes they understand, and most importantly, products they perceive as safe. At the same time, regulatory agencies from the FDA to the EFSA are tightening requirements for petroleum-based additives. This is not a trend. It is the largest restructuring seen in the food industry in at least 50 years. And this is important because recent studies are focusing on antioxidants and synthetic color. Every kilogram of artificial additives implies emissions in ways that are hard to justify. Products reformulated with natural alternatives sell faster and generate more trust. But here is the challenge. Developing natural ingredients, antioxidants, antimicrobials, plant proteins, or sweeteners is expensive and slow. For a startup, a single triennial cycle can consume half of the annual budget, but the opportunities are clear. We can see fascinating innovations in the market. Botanical extracts that replace BHT or TBHQ. For example, rosemary extract is already authorized by EFSA. Fermentation proteins that replicate their textures without cow. And clean sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, and tagatose are rapidly growing market. With all this, we can see that the demand is there and the funding is available. What's missing is the piece that accelerates R&D, enabling startups to reach the market before regulations change. Again, on the other hand, scientists accumulate data in their laboratories. What do they do with that data? Most of that data ends up in a static spreadsheet without the ability to analyze it at scale and without a tool to visualize it. And all scientists know that sometimes we run into dead ends. And it's quite possible that solution is hiding in all that data from past experiments. Maybe they find the solutions, but it takes a long time to do so, and time is the most valuable asset in the market. That's why at Elytra we offer a smart solutions, BIM. It's a web-based machine learning platform that reduces trial and error in your formulation. Our algorithm detects nonlinear patterns between ingredients, processes, and outcomes. In seconds, it generates predictions and tells you which combination to try or which parameter to adjust. With our technology, you can reduce your development cycles by at least 70%. Rapidly develop MVP for market validation. Turn your data into a true predictive tool. That's why I invite you to contact me. We can adapt to your workflow without having to install anything in your tools. Quick and easy. Imagine a development with a quick time to market. I can help you achieve it. Let's do it together.